Hello, I'm about to tell you the Starbucks story. It has two important educational points that you should definitely stay till the end of this video and listen carefully. The story of Starbucks starts from the year 1988, about 37 years ago. Mr. Howard Schultz, the CEO of Starbucks, was removed from his job 3 times and returned again. Howard brought up the idea of coffee shops to Starbucks, but Starbucks did not accept it. So as a result, Howard left the company to execute his idea. He spent 2 years on his own, but failed to achieve his goals. So he returned to Starbucks to achieve them. And then they start to open up new branches one by one, until they had thousands of them around the world. And the numbers are still growing each day. So the first important point in this story is that we have to be patient, so we can achieve great things. 2 years is nothing compared to 37 years. But are you willing to keep working on your idea and wait for 5 years until you can have a big jump in sales? The second point is the trust they built for their customers. The design of Starbucks is the same everywhere. The cups you get are all the same. This builds a feeling of trust in customers. They know what they're getting is the same thing, of the same quality, and with the same taste. Please sell intelligently. So to succeed, one has to build trust, be patient, and also try to provide good training. Good luck.